The worst day. No, this is pure ice. You're just sliding down. I didn't anticipate this. Welcome. I'm still trying to wake up. Obviously, we all anticipated this snowstorm, but I didn't think it was going to be bad like this. There's not much that obviously I can do today, but I think I'm gonna head outside. Moon, say hello. Loves looking and watching the snowfall. I'm gonna get out there. I don't care if the rest of my neighbors are gonna see me out there. Yeah, I'm going out there. That's who I got to go outside with me. You excited?
Trust system like insurance companies for
No, he's not excited.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm gonna put the camera out here and you guys are gonna watch us have fun. Oh, stop. Oh, wait, not. Oh my God. Y'all, this might have been a bad idea. It's so nice. You can see Moon. My bad, baby. It hasn't snowed like this in so long. Ah! It's so fun. But it's so cool.
Snow Angel.
It's so cute. I believe in you.
I don't want to do this.
Ah! Kick your legs. There you go.
I gotta go back inside.
Alright. That was short-lived. We've been stuck in the house since Sunday. I haven't really gone outside. This car is still kind of snowed in. The last time it snowed, we weren't able to get the car out. Like they had to shovel the car out, and our apartment complex pretty much said, yeah, that's not a priority for, you know, this time. We're gonna wait to see if he can get his car out tomorrow, because apparently there's another storm coming. I'll worry about that another day. We're walking to Wawa. Everything that we have is like cooking, and I think we're both just not wanting to do that right now. I'm wearing 2 sweatpants, 2 shirts, and furry windbreaker, I guess you can call it. Let's go. And this is the car. It's like all jacked up. It's not bad. You okay? It's not bad yet. Actually better to walk. Look how hard this is.
Put that on TikTok. It's like walking on those frozen things. It's about to break.
Oh wait, how deep does this go? No, this is pure ice. You're just sliding down. We're almost at Wawa. That was literally the worst day. That was freaking terrible. Y'all, that was freaking terrible. We took an Uber back. Mom! Okay, so we just came back after that long walk. I do not recommend doing that. And we got ourselves 2 sandwiches, sour cream and onion chips. If anybody knows who this is, like, they know, my friends that are watching, you know who be eating these. Sandwich. Well, this not a terrible decision, but I really couldn't decide, so I got 2 Kit Kats large and I got 2 Twix.
The bag, I think it's this high this time. Take it out.
Yep, taking that broom.
It's fine.
Taking that broom.
It's fine.
The room.
It's...
This is how we're ending our night, kind of. And if you want a really good sandwich recommendation from Wawa, do the honey roasted turkey panini with spinach, mayo, avocado, red onion, tomatoes. It's good. What about yours?
Chicken panini, wheat peppers, chipotle, jalapenos, lettuce, onions, pepper, spicy chicken seasoning. What else? Chipotle? I already said that, right?
Yeah.
Buffalo, I think.
Buffalo? Alright. Alright, slightly fell asleep on the sofa. It really is approaching the end of the night. I'm ready to go to bed. I forgot where the camera was just that quick. Alright guys, I'm going to bed. Like I say in every video, I will see you in the next one. Good and